Today we will discuss about the nerve cell or neuron. Nerve cell or neuron. Nerve cell is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Nerve cell is also called neuron, and this neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. It started from some hair-like structure. These are called dendrites. These hair-like structure are called dendrites, and these receive the stimulus. In the form of electric impulse, and this is called cytone. This cytone consists of the nucleus, the center body nucleus, and cytoplasm. There are certain granules. These are called micelle granules. Here is a long elongated structure that is called axon. This is called axon. It transmits the impulse from dendrite or cytone to the nerve ending to the next nerve cell. It is covered with a sheath. This is called myelinated sheath. This is called node of Ranvier. And this is nerve ending. Here, impulse carried to the next neuron and the process of synapse takes place. Here, this in the form of information in the form of nerve impulse. Or in the form of nerve impulse. Nerve cell consists of the cytone, axon, and dendrites. Thank you.